Hello. Okay, this video is about the Discover Malaysia Treasure Hunt tutorial. Okay, I will teach you on how to write the basic programming for the joystick program. Okay, so this is the Discover Malaysia Treasure Hunt software. So go to my class, you can see the tutorial and then the exploration map, okay, or exploration tab. So we will do this one first before you go to the exploration. You need to know the basic programming for the joystick. So click here and there is a 3 lesson that you need to follow and you need to learn about the joystick programming. Okay, so in this video I will teach you the number 1 first. Okay, once you click and then you need to press the space bar. And then you can see the interface of the level number 1. Right, this one is the tutorial box, so you need to read one by one because all the guidance is inside the tutorial. If you skip the tutorial, you are missing a lot of important information regarding this. So click and read one by one. Okay, this one is the programming canvas, the place that you will write your programming. Right, this one you can minimize and maximize the size. Okay, click and drag to the right to make it bigger, or click and go to the left to make it smaller. Right, this one is the virtual or visual area. Okay, in order for you to make sure that the programming is correct according to the movement here. And then this one is the map. Okay, this one is the map of the game. And then this one is the time and the score. You can see here the time is running once you start the level. And then this one is the score. The maximum score is 100. And then this one is the mission objective. Okay, which is the mission objective. You need to collect all this white color. This one we call it as an energy portion. And then you need to go to the portal door. This one we call it as the portal door. So once you collect all the energy portion and go inside the portal door, and then you will proceed to the next level, which is level number 2. Alright, this one is the motion block. Okay, this one is the block of the programming. So you have motion. Okay, I will teach you one by one on how to write the program. This one is the basic concept of the joystick. Right, you may start your program using this one. This one is the compulsory block that you need to drag first. Okay, this one is the start. Right, and then this one is the start block. Okay, you need to choose arrow up for moving forward. In this level number 1, you will learn on how to move your robot moving forward using the joystick concept. Alright, this one is DC motor power 100. Okay, M1 is for the right motor, M2 is for the left motor. And then you need to use the same power for the both motor, which is 100. 100 is the maximum power. And then you need to drag one block, okay, one block of the programming for one DC motor. Okay, this one. Right, this is the place that you can click. Okay, when you want to run the programming. Okay, this one there is a button here. Okay, after this I will show you how to click the button. And the other way to move your robot is by clicking the arrow in your keyboard, on your keyboard. Okay, so you can click on your screen of the computer or the laptop. And another one way is you can click any arrow button here on your keyboard. Alright, to start your program, click this block. Okay, drag the block to the programming canvas. How to click? Click left of your mouse and drag here. Okay, that one is the number 1. Number 2, you need to drag the motion block, which is M1. Just now I said M1 for right DC motor and M2 for the left DC motor. So both DC motor must have same power, okay, in order for your robot to move forward. Right, move forward, collect all the energy portions and go inside the portal. Okay, how to move your robot? Okay, how to move your robot? So this one, this is the only block for the joystick. Joystick is very simple. Okay, so you need to drag only this for moving forward. Okay, and then you need to run the program. How to run the program? Just now you have two ways. Okay, number one is click by click here, right? Number two, click the arrow button on your keyboard. Okay, so we will focus on only this arrow, which is the up arrow. Okay, as you can see, this one we just choose the arrow up because we want to go forward. Right, so click here, and then it will start to move. Okay, this one is the stop or the pause button, right? This one is the reset position. Okay, so just now I show you this, okay, by click on this button, okay, or you also can click on the arrow button on your keyboard. Okay, click, and then it will go here towards the portal door. Then you can complete the mission. Right, that's all for level number 1. Okay, you need to use this, the arrow up block programming, and then also the DC motor M1 and M2, the same power, in order for you to move forward. And then click here, arrow up here on your screen, or the button arrow up on your keyboard. Alright, see you on the next video. Bye.